In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're familiar with project management, you know that organizing tasks into epics can make a world of difference in keeping your projects structured and efficient. Epics are essentially large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, and Monday.com is a great platform to manage them effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step and make your project planning seamless and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by making a group for each epic. Think of each group as the overarching theme or objective you're working towards. This could be a major feature in a software project or a large campaign in a marketing plan. By creating distinct groups for each epic, you set a clear foundation that organizes and categorizes all related tasks under their respective projects. It's all about setting up an environment where you can visually and cognitively separate different areas of focus within your broader goals. After establishing your epic groups, it's time to add tasks as items under each group. This is where you break down your epic into manageable actions or steps. Imagine each task as a puzzle piece. Collectively, they come together to complete the epic. Ensure each task is specific and clearly defined to make tracking progress and allocating resources more efficient. The goal here is to have a comprehensive list of activities that, when completed, signify the completion of that epic. It's these specific tasks that help keep your team aligned and informed about what needs to happen next. Now that you have your tasks defined, you can enhance this structure by using dependencies to link related tasks. Dependencies are crucial in illustrating the relationships between tasks. For instance, some tasks may need to be completed before others can begin, or a delay in one task might impact parallel workflows. Using these dependencies ensures all team members understand the sequence and relationships between tasks, helping to manage timelines and expectations efficiently. It's like creating an interactive roadmap of how each task fits into the larger picture. Finally, once you've structured your tasks and set up dependencies, track your epic's progress in Gantt view. The Gantt view provides a visual timeline of your tasks, allowing you to see the project's flow and schedule at a glance. It's an incredibly effective way to monitor the progress of each epic over time, adjust plans as needed, and keep everything on track. This bird's-eye view helps in identifying potential bottlenecks or overdue tasks, ensuring that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. And there you have it, a clear, organized method to create and manage epics in Monday.com. By setting up epics and tasks with thoughtful structure, linking them with dependencies, and monitoring progress via Gantt view, you can enhance team collaboration and project success effortlessly. Now you're well on your way to mastering project management on Monday.com efficiently and effectively.